You might be wondering, how on earth did this ball of fluff end up stuck in this position? Well, it's a long story. When the rescue team arrived, they took one look at him and knew this wasn't going to be a simple job. He was too big to pull inside and too high up to push back out. So instead of trying to squeeze him through, one rescuer headed to the roof while a safety net was stretched out below just in case. Then a rope was slowly lowered down and secured around him, which he did not like at all. After all that, the stuck little loaf was lifted up and out, finally reaching the roof safely. And the only way this ball of fluff doesn't try to squeeze into another impossible gap is if you subscribe.